Hey everyone, today in this video, I will show you how to create and launch a sales campaign with your voice agent. All right, let's create a new sales campaign. First, head over to your agent section and click on the deploy agent button. There, you'll see a card labeled voice agent. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll need to enter your Twilio details to set up the voice agent. So once that's done, you'll notice a campaign tab. Click on it to open your campaign dashboard. Now click on the create campaign button. Enter your campaign name, choose your scheduled date and time, and then upload your CSV file containing the contact list. After that, select the campaign status, either active or paused, and click on Create Campaign. If you set the status to active, your campaign will automatically start at the selected date and time. Once the campaign begins, you can view detailed logs of all your calls, both regular and campaign related. You can also filter the campaign call separately and even play back call recordings whenever needed. That's it. Your sales campaign is now up and running. See you in the next tutorial. That's it. Thanks for watching.